In English, we might say, I don't want to lie, or I don't want to lie. Well, in sign language, we could go like this. Okay, let's explore how to sign I don't want lie. I, index finger, just point at yourself one time. I also works for me. I don't want looks like this. Okay, so basically we're starting with the sign for want, and then we're pushing it away because we don't want it. So use both hands, start like this, palm facing up, just loose hands, fingers spread apart. Now first grab it, and then push it away. Don't want. Don't want. From the side. Don't want. Other side. It helps to put in a shaking motion in your head. Because if you're like, really screw with people's minds. No. Yes. All right. Don't want. Don't want. Okay. Lie. Here is the sign for lie. Use your dominant hand. I'm right-handed. Fingers together, thumb alongside. Now we're going to bend those fingers down. Here we have this hand shape. All right. Now put it in front of your face, about at your mouth level. All right. Now we're going to start and we're just going to go across. And it's a quick motion. Lie. Lie. From the side. Other side. From the front again. Lie. Okay, an alternate version I've seen, which is similar but a little bit different, is to just use the finger, the index finger, bend it down, right? So before we had all fingers, we bent them all down. Now just the index finger, and then do it. Lie. Lie. That's another way to do it. To be consistent throughout this course, I will be doing lie, signing lie like this, with all of the fingers. All right, bend them down, cross. Now, lying is not usually seen as a wonderful thing. So if the situation calls for it, put it on your face. You find it negative, lie. And it's not going to be a lie. It's going to be a quick, jerky motion. Lie. Lie. Okay, we know all the signs. Let's sign. Sign with me. Here we go. I don't want lie. A little bit quicker, speeding up. All right, in this situation, you might have like a pleading look or a look that you're trying to get on someone's good side. I don't want to lie, right? I'm innocent, right? Okay, another alternate version, if you don't remember the sign that, don't want, another alternate version is if you remember the sign for not. Not. All right, make that A hand shape, thumb sticking out, take the tip under your chin and go not. Now, not, just one time, not is a wonderful word. So, not happy. If you you can put not in front of basically anything and just do the opposite. It's wonderful. Not want. If you forget don't want, you could be like not want. Now, the preferred way is probably to go like this. Don't want. Because it's just all together in one sign. It's efficient. But what do you do when you forget? Well, you can use not. Not. It's an alternate version. It helps out. Remember, not is great. It's a great word that you can put in front of another one just to give the opposite. So you can sign about two situations. Okay. In this lesson, we talked about how to sign I don't want lie. Okay.